Match AI, a college predicting AI machine. These are the table of contents.
Yeah, I can see the presentation.
Okay. Introduction. My name is Atharva Gupta. I go to Evergreen Valley High School in San Jose, California, and I like building with AI. So, choosing a college is one of the most important decisions students make before graduating from high school. With thousands of colleges and universities available, finding the right one can be both challenging and time consuming. So, students must explore a variety of options while considering factors such as academic programs, campus environments, location, affordability, and opportunities outside the classroom. To make an informed decision, these students have to gather information from different college websites, rankings, virtual tours, and campus visits. They'll often compare schools based on how well each one matches their educational goals, career plans, and personal interests. Because each student has different priorities, the decision-making progress requires careful evaluation of multiple factors before selecting the college that's best suited for their future aspirations. Problem statement. Deciding on a college can often be a tedious and stressful experience for students, as it involves an extensive amount of research and careful consideration of different factors. The process typically begins in high school, where students are faced with the daunting task of narrowing down a vast array of options to select a few that align with their academic goals, career aspirations, and personal preferences. They must delve into researching the programs offered, campus size, location, and campus culture to ensure these align with their personal and academic needs. This requires sifting through brochures, websites, and college rankings, as well as gathering insights from current students and alumni. Campus visits, while beneficial, add another layer of complexity and time consumption to the decision-making process. Furthermore, students must compare their options based on critical factors, such as academic reputation, extracurricular opportunities, and potential career paths after graduation. The pressure to make the right choice can be overwhelming, as this decision significantly impacts their future. Balancing this extensive research with high school responsibilities can make the process feel all consuming, but it's a crucial step toward a fulfilling college experience. Real world insights. Artificial intelligence is already being used very widely to benefit students. People are investing rapidly in AI for education. As you can see here, in 2024, 5.47 billion was invested, and that number grew in 2025, and it's projected to grow more and more. Also, many students are using AI to influence their actions into getting into college. Like, this shows how much students are using different things to help them increase their college chances. Shockingly, 46% of students consulted AI to help pick their college, as shown here. So, what's the solution? Match AI uses artificial intelligence to analyze a student's unique academic profile and match them with colleges that best align with their goals, interests, and qualifications. The AI evaluates factors such as GPA, test scores, intended major, extracurricular activities, location preferences, campus environments, and career goals to identify universities that fit the student's needs. Instead of relying on only rankings or acceptance rates, UniMatch compares student information from institutional characteristics and generates personalized college recommendations. The AI helps students discover opportunities they might not have even considered, and understanding why certain colleges match their profile and make more informed decisions throughout the college search process. And for the demonstration, this is UniMatch AI. So you can sign in. You can sign up by either using email or username and password. In this case, I'll just use my email. So how does it work? Unimatch, for Unimatch, we take real students' data and info from actual college students, and then we take your data from your scores and your interests, and then the AI gives you personalized results based on you. On this left sidebar, I can change different statistics such as my GPA, test scores, intended major, and any factors I want to help to specify the college. You can also choose your strengths and your DNA, and based on that, it'll find you a college best suited for you. These are some colleges, and it gives an in-depth analysis on which college is best suited for you. And then if you want to look for a specific college, you can select a college, and based on that, it'll tell you what's your chances for that college. In this case, it was a 30% score. And then if you're on the side of an institute, you can choose to see what, based on what specific you want the student's GPA to be, and any DNA requirements you want them. It'll give you some results based on which students are best suited for that. And that's it.
All right. So great uh, presentation and great project. Tell me about your teammate that you had.
My teammate.
Yeah.
So we both did the same type of project, and then we individually we changed different things based on what specifically we want our app to function.
Okay. Understood. And so, like, how can you further develop this project? Have you any ideas on like the future scope of the project?
Yeah, on the future scope, we can have more colleges and put it into there, and more specific things about you to like exactly pinpoint which college is best suited.
Okay. And if you were to like create a market strategy for this, like how would you make sure that this project or this product reaches to the right set of audience? How would the marketing look like? Do you have any ideas on that?
Well, I'd probably like reach out to college students or anyone who looks like they would need to use this to help them, and maybe in high schools inform them about this AI to help them decide the college.
Yeah. Awesome. And like, um, if you were to like redo the whole project, okay, what would you do differently? Like, if there was any mistakes that you made or something you could have done differently, what would that be?
Um, if I redid the project, uh, I'm not sure. Maybe like you can decide specifically on a college, and then based on that, it'll give you like tips to improve or get better into that college.
Okay.